In today's video, how to upload file in Trello. So first, log in using your Trello credentials. And once you're logged in, open Trello board and navigate to card where you want to upload file. Trello cards represent tasks or items within project. Inside selected card, look for attachment button, click on attachments and you will be presented with several ways to upload file. You can upload file from your computer, select file stored locally on your device, or you can link file, paste link from like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive or any other service. Also simply drag file from your desktop directly onto card for quick uploading. After selecting or dropping file, it will appear on card, and all collaborators on cards will be able to view and download file. Trello supports a variety of file formats including images, PDFs and documents. Files that you upload will be visible under attachment section of card. You can click on attachment to view or download it, or remove file by selecting delete option if no longer needed. If your file is on Google Drive, first copy shareable link, go to attachments and select attach link. Paste Google Drive link and it will be attached to your card.